Okay, what's up YouTube? This is going to be I don't want to call it a tutorial, but this is something I found very useful. So I'm on my local Kali box. You imagine the scenario: you log into one of your remote servers. There's a task that you want to perform that's going to take a while, and then you basically want to just let it run and be notified when it's completed. What's the easiest way to get notified? Ideally, it would be to get some kind of push notification on your phone. So I needed to do this recently. It reminded me of a service I actually signed up for a few years ago. Haven't used it for a while, but it's a push notification service for iOS, Android, and there's a desktop instance as well if you want to get notifications on your desktop only. It costs $5 to unlock it. You get 7-day free trials to give it a go. But then in-app purchase for $5 for £5. It's more or less the same these days, and you get to use it for for life or until they go out of business. I say I've had it for a few years now, and they give you, I think it's 7,500 push notifications a month to utilize. So more than I'll ever need, and probably you will too if you're just doing some kind of bug bounty reconnaissance in your spare time. So let's just jump in. And there's various languages you can use. If you jump into the help section on the website, you can go to the API integration, the example code, and the Pushover libraries that they give you example code for. So what I'm going to do is just use Python. I've got this set up already, but I'll just show you what I kind of do here. So if I give you, so we'll copy the Python script. I'm already logged into one of my servers, just my local Plex server, and we're going to set up we'll call it test.py, insert mode, paste, Control-Shift-V. We're just going to add in one more thing, because what I want to do is replace the message template with actual code that or just a message I'm going to send depending on the reason why I'm running the script. So if we import system, and then we just say message is equal to the sysargv1, then the arguments I send it through are going to end up in message. So you just need to replace the token and the user key with the ones that you get when you register for the application. As I said, 7-day free trial, give it a go, see how you get on. So this is now test.py. What I need to do with that is basically run a long-running task. So imagine you're on the server, you want to do something. Let's have a look. Long-running task.sh. Won't bother with shebang or anything like that crap. So we'll just do. So basically, this is going to be to add your task. Here, so what I tend to do is, whatever script, your script, and then argument 1, argument 2. So what I tend to do here is just, depending on what I'm running, I'll have a script for $1, $2. So I'll send the first argument that I put into this bash script to my scripts. Then you have to wait, because you want to wait for that script to run, and then once you run the Python 3 script push.py, which is actually the name of the one I've got with my push notification tokens in there, and then the second message, if I could type. So when I run this script, it's going to pass the first argument to long running script. So in this case, we'll just echo it to the screen. And then what we'll do is we will wait for 5 seconds. Then we'll echo send push notification locally, so we know it's done, and then push.py will be triggered with a second argument we pass into this script. So let's just give that a go. So if I now do bash long running task, I will send it a message to say first message, pass this to your function, and then what we'll do is we'll pass a please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Send that to the push notification service. Now, I'm sure there's a way to fix this. I can't seem to get it to pass the second argument when it has spaces in it, so I'll come back to that. But effectively, this will work. And what I'm going to do is just going to hit record on my phone, so I can record the screen. Make sure the sound is on. Okay, cool. So now this is going to take the first string, pass it to the function, wait 5 seconds. We're going to send the push notification. There we go, and it's just landed on the screen. So we're just going to do that one more time. But the key thing here is that I forgot to run this in Tmux. So when you're logged onto your remote server, what you want to do is you want to kick off the task, but you don't want to have to keep the SSH or the session open. You want to be able to log off and just keep it running. So Tmux allows you to effectively detach from your running session, and that's what we're going to do now. So let me just amend this script so that long running task. We're just going to sleep now for 15 seconds. We're still going to send. We're going to base it's exactly before. So we're going to print out whatever we send to it, which is going to mimic our long-running task to start off. Some kind of server reconnaissance or whatever you're looking to do in the cloud. Assuming you'll use something like DigitalOcean to log into, which I'll be using normally. And then what we want to do is just bash long-running task. Please subscribe. Message 2 will be and hit that bell. Cool. So because this is 15 seconds, we're going to run this. We're going to do the prefix key in Tmux, which is Control B for the standard configuration, and then hit D to detach. So Control B, detach. We're off the server, and there'll be some messages being printed there, but on the phone, after it's been about 3 or 4 more seconds, and hit that bell has come through. So I hope you found that useful. I'm sure there's various other things you can do with this, but in the past, what I would do, Tmux LS to see which sessions are running, Tmux attach to get back onto your session. So again, please subscribe. Send push notification was done on the server. I said you could have logged off your local PC by this point and just had it running in the cloud. What I typically do is have it running and then just kind of keep going back to it every once in a while. So I would Control B, detach, and then have a cup of tea, come back, see if it's finished. Not very efficient. At least this way you can be doing other stuff. So thanks for watching. I'm going to leave some links in the description below to Pushover service, which I'm not affiliated with. I just like the service. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Cheers.